Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content, and if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Actually, it probably won't be short, and I don't think it's little because this is a big package, and I think there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm not sure what's in here. We're going to find out here in a sec. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can check out my Patreon link right down in the description. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Why am I waving it around? People get used to it when I do the same thing over and over and over again. So if I do something different, people perk up. So follow me on Instagram. I doubt that, actually. I doubt that makes much of a difference. Alright. 1, 2, there's a note. Okay, cool. Instagram at Gideon Stuff. So check out at Gideon Stuff on Instagram. And YouTube is Gideon Stuff. So check out his YouTube channel as well. Thank you very much for sending these. I cannot remember what you sent, but you sent 4 things. Oh. Presenting your new EDC. Okay, that's intriguing. Oh, there's more of a note in here. Hang on. What do we have? Hey, MC, I'm a big fan of your channel, and you've been a big influence in my knife collecting journey. I even recently started my own YouTube channel. That's awesome. You were expecting one of these knives, but it took me a while to send it, so I threw in some bonuses. Keep up the good work, Gideon. Thank you very much, buddy. I appreciate that. It says this is okay to read on camera on the back. Well, good. Good. I'm glad. I don't have to edit it out. Alright, so I'm really curious about this. What is this? Outdoor Edge Knives and Tools. Make the cut. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, we have more paper. And what is this? 3.5 inch Onyx EDC by Outdoor Edge. Alright. What is this? How do you disengage? Oh my gosh. Am I not going to be able to figure it out? Wait a second. Does this have a removable blade? Yeah, that's exactly what that is. Oh boy. That's interesting. Okay. The only other time I've seen something like this was the Riot Jack 2 with the removable. Okay, so this, I mean, it's a backlock, but the way that you remove the blade. Oh. Safe. Yeah. Welcome to the Metal Complex YouTube channel, where everything that he does is always done in the safest way. But that is exactly how you do that. Look at that. How weird. That is bizarre. Okay, if I can offer a link for this guy down below, then I will. This is so weird. Interesting, though. Okay. Some type of FRN or injection mold plastics. Very light. Obviously, the problem here is that while this is tapered and it comes down pretty thin to like meet the flat of the blade underneath, it will likely cause hang-up issues while cutting. In fact, I want to try this. If we cut into a piece of paper here. Oh, no, you know what? It actually is getting through that okay. Boy, the edge is pretty. Okay, well, you know, I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna have to look over this one. That's a weird one, man. Thanks. I mean, it's fun. Like stuff like this is fun. Oh, it came with other blades. Okay, that's kind of neat. This is again the 3.5 inch Onyx EDC and patented. Okay, well, there you go. If I can provide a link down below, I will. That's a weird one. I don't think it's going to be very expensive. Okay, this next one here is a pouch. Civivi. Oh, boy. Oh boy, that yeah. Oh my gosh, what is this one called? The oh, I can't remember. This is wild. This is like budget meets super nice. I think these actually still came in at sub $100 mark. Boy, that's beautiful how they did that. That's real nice. Shred carbon fiber with copper flake and then Damascus, a stainless Damascus. Very, very beautiful. I can't remember the name of this one. This isn't a review, guys. It's just an unboxing. First impressions, right? Very beautiful. Can't remember if this guy's still available. I feel like it is, so if I can find it, I will link it right down below. But yeah, this looks like a knife that honestly, to anybody who's not familiar with Civivi, this looks like a knife that would cost hundreds and hundreds of dollars. But no, it actually comes in at the sub $100 mark. And this is real shred carbon fiber and copper flake, and it's real stainless Damascus. That's pretty cool. This is a beautiful, oh boy, that's a beautiful knife. If you ever wanted to carry something like this, but you've always been, you know, kind of concerned with carrying around a really, really expensive, because a lot of times, like, knives that look like this, like I said, they cost a lot more money. You know, and that keeps people from wanting to buy, and then it keeps people from wanting to buy them sometimes because they think I'll never carry it because it's too pretty. With this guy being under $100, you can carry around something like this and not feel like you are, you know, crushing the soul of a beautiful art piece, right? Or breaking the bank, right? So that's pretty cool. Very nice. What do we have here? It's a Kubey pouch. Okay, interesting. This is one of the ones I didn't know he was sending. Interesting pocket clip. What model is this? Is that titanium? Yeah, that is. Okay, so we have titanium and carbon fiber. You know, that's kind of nice. Flipping action is really good. Not that I haven't had a good experience with Kubey in the past. It just feels a lot nicer than I would have expected. S35VN, is that what we're... Yeah, S35VN. Frame lock with a steel lock bar insert. Disengagement's good. Action feels good. Boy, that's pretty impressive. I gotta be honest. Not that what I've handled from Kubey isn't. It's just this is a much nicer, obviously a more expensive knife than I'm used to from Kubey. But that's cool. I'm glad you sent that one in. Take a look at it. And the final one, we have a Kershaw, and let's get in there real quick. There we go. And open this maybe. Oh, yeah. So, guys, this is legitimately my first time handling anything. I know it's not a real Emerson, but it's an Emerson and Kershaw collaboration. This is the CQC 13. I will link this guy down below. But it's a steel frame lock. 8CR13 MOV. Has the thumb disc that I'm trying to... Yeah, you can do the reversal. Boy, the ergos are good on it. I just thought, you know... At some point, I will probably take a look at an Emerson. I just have never... I gotta be honest with you guys, I've just never liked the Emerson aesthetic. But, prominent knife world figure, so I'm trying to figure out this thumb disc. The Kershaw is probably a good gateway into it. I know this is a fairly popular knife. Not nearly as thick as I was expecting. That's G... Is it? Is this G10? Hang on. Gotta look for the fibers. Yeah. Is it? Yeah, okay, it's G10. And then a steel frame lock. Yeah, it locks up solid. Okay, that's pretty cool. Interesting. This is not an expensive knife either. This is also a very big knife. I will link this guy right down below. And I think there's actually quite a few Emerson Kershaw knives. Or at least a couple. Again, Emerson's never been my personal cup of tea, so... That's why I don't have the information there. You'll get full reviews on at least this guy and this guy. I'm thinking I want to review this one because it's so weird. Not sure about this one yet. I'll look at all of them. But yeah, a few weeks down the road, you'll see videos on all of these. If you want detailed information, that'll be coming. Thank you so much, again, to Gideon for sending this. That one cracks me up. Make sure to check him out on Instagram and on YouTube. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.